Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add a member to your Amazon family. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not to log in right now, it is quite easy. Initially, what you guys need to do is simply go to Account and Settings. The button's on the top right next to Returns and Orders. Simply click on it. Well, once you're on this page, you can see something like this. Well, right now, I'm just gonna scroll down, and under this Shopping Program and Rental section, you will see something like Manage Your Amazon Family. Click on this button right here. Then you will be redirected to this page. Well, what you need to do is simply click on this plus icon right here that says Add a New Member. Click on it right now. Then it's gonna ask you to select whether it's an adult, teen, or a child. Well, it's up to you. For now, I'm gonna select adult. I'm gonna click on this Add Adult button right here. And finally, it's gonna show something like this, whether you want to link to separate accounts or simply create a new profile in your account. I'm gonna select the second option and hit on Create. Now what you need to do is simply enter your profile name. I'm gonna enter it right now. Once everything's okay, simply hit on Create. And guys, that's it. That's how you add a family member to your Amazon family. It is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.